Yeah. Okay, so Zoe wants to take some action videos, right, Zoe?
Action.
Okay, here you go. Okay.
Take one.
Okay.
And let's watch as he comes out of the garage.
Gotta put your gear on, right?
Yes.
I'm putting on.
And he has.
I'm not gonna put the helmet on only because we're just gonna ride and drive.
Yes. He has gloves, a jacket, and some shoes. Zoom in.
And the helmet. Don't forget the helmet.
Yes, and a helmet, but he's not going to wear it.
I normally do wear the helmet though, Zoe.
Because when he rides on the road, he didn't want to get hit or anything.
Okay.
But now he's just riding on the driveway. And let's watch as his arrival comes to the driveway. Dun 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 dun. And he's coming. And the motorcycle engine starts rumbling. And tumbling he goes.
Ready?
Yep. And he begins. Going. As he goes, I shall follow him. That guy goes fast. But we're keeping up. Wait, stop so I can see you. And he goes a little. And as he comes back, will you look at his arrival? And he comes. And he's driving into the garage.
Please stand in one spot, okay?
Okay.
All right. I don't want you to get hit.
Okay.
Okay? You're right back.
Yes. Goes down the driveway. And then to the other side. Okay. Now, let's watch as he comes back. This will be very exciting, folks. Very, very, very exciting. It's Zoe with your local news. Every day, every night. Well, not night, but afternoon. And as he goes, he backs.
What's that, Joe?
He backs. Good.
All right, come over here a second. All right, turn it off.
How do you turn it off?
Hit the red button.
I'm pressing it. It's not
All right,
doing
come over
it.
here.